I was going to ask you about the Wales performance. You say you watched it. Were you surprised? And if you were, what did surprise you about the performance?
I think the total performance for Wales were good, you know, both offensively and defensively. They played well. They had young players in there, and the skill and the pace of the game was good. So it's like Ryan Giggs have created a copy of the old Man United team.
For me, what about the prospect of facing Gareth Bale?
Yeah, obviously he's a world-class player. You know, and yeah, I think it would be probably a little bit disrespectful only to focus on Gareth Bale, because Wales are full of very, very good players. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. You always want to play against the best, and he's definitely one of them. Like August said, you take the last game, you can see the kind of flair and spark that they play with. You know, it's very similar to the DNA that he inherited at Manchester United, and yeah, it's going to be really interesting to see where he can bring it. He's got a very talented squad in Wales. You know, something that obviously Gary Speed started with, and Chris Coleman worked really well. And then obviously now Ryan, he's putting his own stamp on it, and you know, judging from the last game, I think you know, he's had a really good start, and it's going to be very interesting to see where he can bring it.
I watched the trainings, and the way Wales play, you know, with very, very enthusiasm in the play offensively. They play very, very quick in between the lines, you know, and they go forward with a lot of people. So that looks like United in the best period under Alex Ferguson. And of course, Ryan Giggs have, in many ways, adopted what he's been there for many, many years, you know, and he knows the style, and it's natural for him. Well, I would think it's natural for him to adopt the best of Man United and the way they play.
I think they're going forward, particularly that's obviously the players that I'm going to be up against most. You know, their front line is very, very good, very dynamic. You know, they have a lot of players who like to score goals from distance. They like to shoot a lot, and you know, obviously we all know Gareth Bale. I know Tom Lawrence myself from my time at Leicester, from his time at Leicester, and yeah, they're really good players, all of them, and I think we're going to have to be on top of our game to beat them.